Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make your Weebly a little bit better using CSS code. So to get started, you'll want to create a site. I'll just name it test site. And once you've created your site, it'll bring up a default template. You can go up to design and choose a template that you like, or a layout that you like. Once you find one you like, just click on it. Then you'll want to go to edit HTML. If you'll notice, there'll be in the left hand column over here something that says files, and under that you'll have different little images and stuff. This is your navigation bar, and this is your background of the template that I'm on. It doesn't really look like it, but it is. But to make an image that you want as your background, you'll want to go to your search engine, type in what you want to look up. Just typed in lines or whatever. You'll want to choose a size between 1024 by 768 or 1600 by 1200. This seems to be the best size for a background picture. Seems to fit the best. Once you find the image you want, click on it, because if you try saving it from the search engine, it usually saves it as a smaller image and it doesn't fit properly on the background. Once you clicked on the image, save it, and then save it where you want to on your computer, and be sure and save it as a JPEG file. Once you've done that, you want to go back to your Weebly, and then you'll want to go to add new file. Then you want to find the picture that you saved, and then click on it. It'll download to the website. Once it's done downloading, you'll want to go back to your CSS code. Then you'll want to find the body. Once you find the body, you'll want to go under the background and type in URL, then a parentheses, then type in the name of the picture you want, as long as you've downloaded it over here, and then type .jpg, and then close the parentheses, and then be sure a semicolon's here. Once you've done that, you'll notice that the picture is downloaded in the background. So you'll want to save that. Save it as whatever you want to name your theme. Now you'll notice this is in the way of the picture, so I'm gonna actually edit this image and take this picture out. Then I'm gonna make the background of this transparent, and you can see a little bit more of the line now. As far as this goes, you can make it to where you can see through it and see the picture, the background picture, a little better. To do this, you want to go to one of the contents. Depending on what template you have, you'll have to kind of play around and see which one it is, but you'll want to type in opacity, then a colon, and then type in a variable like 0.5, and then be sure and put the semicolon, and then save it. And then once that saves, you'll notice that you can see the line a little better now. The only setback to this is with the opacity you can see through, but when you type in text, it'll be a little bit fainter. Like right now mine is at 0.5. If you want to make the text a little darker, you can make it 0.8 or something to that thickness where you can't see through as much. Another thing you can do is you can instead of typing text, you can go to logo. You can just click up random picture in there. Then you can just click edit and then add text, and then you can type in what you want your site to be called, and then you can make it glow, make it a shadow, or whatever you want it to do. And then if you don't want this picture here, you can just delete it. And then you save that, and then you have this there. Then you can do the same thing down here, just add text, make it whatever you want it. Just for a quick reference. And yeah, you can just do little things like that. That's not dealing with CSS, that's just with the site itself. So that's all I've got to show you right now. I will really quickly show you a site that I've been working on for one of my engineering classes. It's a portfolio, but this is a site that I've made so far. I'm gonna keep tweaking on it a little bit as I learn. But as for now, that's all I have for you, so I hope this helps, and enjoy.